Divas. I have an unboxing for you today. Someone contacted me. They have a store on Amazon and they said, would you like to test out this light pad for us? And I said, sure, I'll give it a try. So I got this light pad. The company I will link down below. I'll give you a link right to their website if you're interested. Light pads are good for so many different things, and it came very well wrapped. It came safely. A lot of times we use them in diamond painting for underneath our work so we can see clearly the numbers and letters, and also we can use it for drawing, like if you're tracing parts of things. It's a great way to use for other craft projects as well. So I want to show you what is coming in the kit. Let me bring you down just a little bit. They give you a USB cord, so you have to plug it in. The problem with some light pads is the connection, if it's hardwired in, it keeps breaking or pulling apart, or I've had problems with many light pads. I really love that. This comes with 4 magnetic little, they look like men from the Sorry board, you know? But that's to keep your pattern or your paper in place. It comes with a little pencil sharpener and a pencil and an eraser, and that's for drawing if you want to trace and draw on top of it. So those are the goodies that come with it. And see, it comes very nicely packed. Alright. And it comes in like this little styrofoam envelope. Alright. I'm going to move this off to the side. Okay. It also comes with, alright, it comes with some paper that you can use for tracing. Cute puppy. A mouse or a rat. Ooh, that's pretty. You really get some detail in that. Some flies. My grandchildren might like that. There's another puppy. A dolphin. And why didn't they put a cute kitty in there instead? I don't know. But anyway, you have some blank paper, and I'll show you how to use those on the light pad in a moment. I will use my own pencil, though. I'm not gonna open that pack right away. So it gives you, it says it's a copy board. It's also for tracking writing, copy in cartoon, animation, production, professional tools, mainly composed of acrylic and LED lights. Used to copy paper and artwork. It says overlap, but that means you just put a piece of blank paper on top of the pictured paper, and I'll show you that in a minute. You can clearly see the bottom figure in the history of painting and copy or modify onto a piece of paper. Animators can be used to draw action. Alright, that's a strange way of you know, that's that translated into English speak. So it's an A4, which means it is, let's see, 349 by 248 by 7 millimeters. It's 4.1 watts, LED, 5 volt. The brightness is done in steps. Okay. And it just says you how to connect it, how to change the brightness, and how to put the artwork on it. Stepless dimming is to hold down the button. Does not move to adjust the brightness you want. Alright, so what it is, you hold it down until it gradually goes up, or hold it down until it gradually goes down. And we'll play with that. Here's the button on the top here. Show you how it works. It does say there's a protective film on it, and you peel back that protective cover before you use it. Okay, so this light pad, you need to keep it plugged in, otherwise it's not one of those that charges up. It's only usable that way. So okay, so now you see that you really can't see the picture underneath it, maybe the faintest glare, but when I put this on, it comes into fairly clear. You can see very easily where to trace, where you want to trace the image, okay? This is how you use a light box. Now, a lot of artists use light boxes. And in animation, a way to use it is you draw your figure out, like say, you draw the figure out. I'm only good at stick figures, so I don't really know how to draw real well. So that's why I use these things. But basically what you do is you would draw part of the figure, and then you would move it and draw another part of the figure. You'd have a base figure already drawn, and okay, and this is just shading in some of the dark spots. The darker spots, it would shade in like underneath the ear, the things like that. So in animation, basically, you would have some basic figures, and you could get them to move by just tracing the parts of the figure that you want to use. Okay. So, alright, I'm trying to, like I said, I'm not an artist, I'm not a drawer, but this is another way that you can use the light pad. These are kind of cool if you're making cards. Okay, if you just want to draw like a butterfly and you found a picture of a butterfly in a perfect position that you'd like to have it on, but you're really not great at drawing, what you could do is just trace the butterfly onto the cardstock, right where you wanted it. Right? Okay. And I'm not trying to get the details done real well. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to I'm not trying to fill in all the details here. I just want to give you an idea of one way to use it. Okay. Okay. All right. So, and you'd have to fill in the shading and everything later, but this is just the basic outline of this cute little puppy here. And how easy it is if you have a light box. Okay. I'm just going to finish the basic form. Basic form. Here we go. And some of the spots on him. Okay. And his tail. And I'm not doing this perfectly accurately, as you can obviously see. Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay, so you can even do some of the shading in here just to give them some idea. All right. All right, like I said, I'm not really great at this, but here it is. I'm going to turn off the light on the light pad. And now you can see my outline puppy. Now you can see my outline puppy and see the original as well. All right, there you go. That's how you use a light pad. All right, that's how you use a light pad. And like I said, I will link this particular light pad in the links below. Sorry about that, it went on. Light pads are very handy items, and let me know if you use one for your diamond painting or for your other crafts. What else do you use it for? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our Tuesday night lives and our live replays in that section. And join us. We're going to be doing New Beginnings in January. So keep an ear out for that challenge coming up. All right. Bye, Divas. Talk to you soon.